41 feet long, 8.5 feet wide, and enough room for the whole family. Welcome to the Arctic Edition. Stepping through the front door of the home is going to give you a nice view looking down the entire length of the home here. Right as you pass through the front door, you'll end up in what is the living area of the home. In this space, you'll find room against the back wall and the side wall here if you want to outfit the space with a couch. You have lots of windows in this space, including the 2 entry doors that bring in lots of that natural light. And then off in front of me in the corner here, you have a spot to mount a TV on the wall. As you move forward into the home, off to your left-hand side, as you can see here, is a staircase to our first loft. A couple really cool features before you end up in the loft is that underneath the stairs here, you have a little bit of storage space, as well as your fuse box and battery kill switch. And then the first few stairs stepping up into the loft actually open and provide a little bit more storage space. The first loft up here is going to give you room for a queen size bed. You've got nice big windows on either side, left and right on the walls. You've got plugs in the corner and independent light switches for the lighting in the ceiling here. And then finally, just in front of me, you've got 8 individual storage cubbies to store all of your clothing. As you step down from the first loft, you enter the kitchen space. And right in front of you here, you're gonna find the breakfast bar where you can sit 2 to 3 people at. You've got a nice big window above the bar. And then as you move forward into the home, you'll find the business end of the kitchen. The kitchen in this home is a perfect outfit. You've got one half of the kitchen over here and one half of the kitchen over there. Over here, you'll find the propane cooktop and oven. Just above the cooktop, you'll find your overhead fan to help exhaust those fumes. You've got 2 spots to plug in appliances on either side of the stovetop here, and you have prep space on either side of the stove as well. In addition to this counter space, you also have storage space below to the left and right hand side of the oven. Then, moving further back just behind me here, you'll find a fridge and freezer combo. Then as we turn around, we'll find the second half of the kitchen. Here you'll find even more prep space on either side of your large ceramic sink. And then once again, for storage space below the countertop here, you've got cabinet doors, under sink storage, and then slide out drawers furthest to the right. Now, as we're more centrally located in the home, you'll find access to the second loft space. And what's really cool about this space is that you access the loft by use of this library ladder. You can see this ladder sits on wheels and rides on a track above, and these wheels will lock in place. So if you want to lock it in place to get up the ladder or to stay in place out of the way, you can do that. You'll find the second loft space is slightly smaller than that first one, but you still get the 2 windows on either side of the room up here. You've got plug-ins on the wall, and you have an independent light switch to operate the lighting in the ceiling here as well. The beauty of having 2 loft spaces like this is that you can utilize one that's easier to access for sleeping, and then you can utilize the other one for possibly storage space. Now moving forward in the home yet again, we enter the bathroom space. In here to your immediate left, you'll find the vanity with a little bit of storage beneath it. Off in the corner to my right here, you'll find the residential toilet and a frosted window pane that opens. Just across from that toilet, you'll find a glass enclosed shower. And then finally, just across from the vanity here, you'll find all the necessary rough-ins for either a stacking laundry center or a 2-in-1 combo unit. And finally, a few steps up from the bathroom, in the gooseneck portion of the home, you'll find the master bedroom. And here's enough space for a queen size bed, which will give you a little bit of space on either end of that bed for nightstands. In here, you'll also find 2 large windows on either side of the room. Once again, these open and let in lots of that natural light. And then just in front of me here, off to my left-hand side, moving that barn door out of the way, you'll find closet space over here, and you'll also find closet space to the right-hand side of me. A really cool feature that was added into this home is you'll see inset wall storage as you walk up into the bedroom here, and you'll also find that inset wall storage in the second closet here. This home is currently available for immediate sale and is listed at $157,300 Canadian dollars or approximately $115,000 US dollars using today's exchange rate. If you or someone you know is looking for more information on this home, I'll be sure to add the floor plan layout on screen for you guys here, and all the additional information that you're going to need is found in the description of this video. Thanks so much for watching today, and we'll see you guys in the next video. To view our available inventory and to learn more about how we can build your dream tiny home, visit us online and book a consultation call today.